Namaste friends. Today I am sharing some yoga postures which you can do at your desk very easily. At your office hours, your body suffers a lot. Maybe paining back, paining shoulder, cracking neck and lot of things. But without leaving your office, you can practice these yoga asanas at your desk very easily. They can reduce the discomfort, relieve stress, increase your energy level and calm your mind in a whole day. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. For that, take a little time on your desk. Straight spine, straight shoulder. Start with your neck. With inhale, go back. Exhale. Slowly, 5 times. Relax. Now left and right movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 5 times both side. Now rotate your neck. Inhale, exhale. Complete round. This yoga posture will give relief to your neck muscles at your desk. Very easily you can do this yoga posture 2 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Now the second for shoulder. Roll your shoulder. Exhale, come down. Inhale. Now opposite movement. Now 5 times. Relax. Now twist your back. Take the position. Your right hand on your left knee and your left hand back your chair. Twist your body. Exhale. Inhale, another side. Exhale and inhale another side. Every side 5 times maximum and 2 times minimum. Now get relaxed. Now the another movement. Hold your chair by your left hand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Make sure you are fully comfortable on your desk. These simple yoga postures will relieve your stress and make your mind calm. They reduce the discomfort on your desk. Very easily you can practice these yoga asanas. Now the last one. Take the position behind your chair. You can take your hands. Now with inhale, forward your body down. Exhale. One more time. This yoga posture will give a strength to your spine. By practice of this yoga posture, your energy level will increase. One more time. Inhale, come down. Exhale, come back. And get the relaxed position and come back to the work. So friends, practice these yoga asanas in your office, at your desk, and get energized for your work. I hope you like my content. Namaste, take care, bye-bye.